In exercise 12.2 number 1a, you're given information about bacteria at time 0 and then half an hour later. Now the average rate of growth, because we're really just dealing with 2 points, 0.40 and 0.5 100, can be calculated readily. 100 take 40 divided by 0.5 there, and that will give me 120 bacteria per hour increase. Now when I do a sketch graph of that, and he has a pretty rough little sketch graph here, I'll have 100 here, 40 there, and you can see here we're assuming a linear model. Now looking at question B, we're actually dealing with a model that really isn't in our course, but armed with your graphics calculator, you can do it pretty readily. I've chosen to call that x, and I've put it onto my graph. So my function, well, y1 is equal to 4,000 divided by x plus 2. Now, given 2 points of information, at 0, I've got my cost, 2,000. And sorry, I have to find the second figure, and I've just used the trace key in order to do that. You can see 1,000. So I've actually got, in this instance, a decreasing cost basis. Now my graph looks like so, but by taking the point at 0 and 2, I'll be taking a straight line, average, and it'll be relatively easy for me to be able to find that average decrease in costs. So it's 1,000, take 2,000, divided by 2, or a decrease of $500 per month as my answer. Now, I'd suggest very strongly that you have your graphics calculator with you and fired up for the vast majority of this unit. When it comes to assessments, there'll be times where you don't use it and other times where you have to use it. Pretty critical that you use it to help you develop your skill set in the calculus unit.